Good morning, everybody. Welcome to UNDWAR Simple Management Tutorial. We are going to make things very simple for all of you. Believe me, life is all about simplicity, and we learn from each other. Then it is going to make every individual a perfect professional. Today our topic is team building process. Though a lot of people talk differently, and sometimes we give examples of all successful people in the world in various fields. I am going to talk very simple example which we have been doing day in day out in our own activities at home. My dear friends, when we talk about team building, we have few members in our team, and we know that when team performs, then only we can perform. Then a manager can be successful. Normally what happens, our behavior at home is different, and in professional world our behavior is different. Why? I'll give an example. If you really want to build a very successful professional team, then we need to compare these team members with our own children. What we behave with our children, if we are going to behave the same way with our team members, life will become very, very simple. There is nothing to worry about that, why success will not come. You know, we keep on using one word, my. The moment we use word my, it means I'm going to own my children, my vehicle, my car, my parents. The moment you use word my, it means the ownership. I own these people, I own these materials. And the moment I am having the ownership, I will start working in a different way. I will have a caring approach, emotional attachment, affectionate feeling. Especially the support is going to be entirely different. You know, the my word, how it is being derived. My word has got two letters, M and Y. M means me, Y means you. So unless me and you become together, unless me and you absolutely become a bond, like hydrogen bond, what we call in chemistry, which is probably the perfect bond, the cohesive environment, then only we can create. And you know, at home, why we do all those things for children? Because we own our child. We worry about our child the moment he or she does not come on time. They are going outside, we give all protective environment to them, caring environment to them. If my child is not performing in one subject, we become restless. We give extra additional time to our child, or we create additional teachers, so that the support we create, so that my child becomes strong in that subject. We always worry about their career. With whatever we have done in our career does not make any difference. But we keep on thinking, even the lowest category, lowest successful people also, they are very keen to make the child a very successful person, because of we want to care them. And it happens only when we start caring for our children, we create a very conducive environment for all those children. We curtail our expenditures, we curtail our lifestyle, but we give maximum to our child so that they can become more successful than us. The same behavior, if you do for your team members, because ultimately, the first we need to own the team, means it's my team. My means me and you. Again, the same theory we need to implement. The same caring, same love, same affection, Same protective environment we need to create for our team. Every team member must think that my team leader or team manager, he's just like my father. He gives a fatherly caring. He's taking care of everything. And for that we need to set an example. The way we set an example at home. We never carry bad habits. We never demonstrate anything wrong in front of our children. The similar way we have to treat our team. Little love and affection. Emotionally, if we are attached to our team members, the response would be entirely different. Because those members will start feeling that here is the guy, here is the person, here is the manager, whether it's a boy or girl, a man or women, anybody. If they are taking care of my career, they are taking for everything about my well-being, I must respond to my profession. I must respond to success. I must deliver my work or assignment as per the requirement, as per the need. That is the difference. So life is very simple. Let us not go all out to understand big jargons and learning from people like Abraham Lincoln or Bill Gates or top successful people. They are miles ahead. It's once in trillion, once in billion. Every day it is very difficult to create, and those examples are very tough to follow. But yes, the example what we are talking today, what we behave with our children, we do with our team members, the success rate you are going to enhance by more than 70 to 80%. That I can guarantee you. If out of 5-6 people whom you are handling, or maybe larger number of people you are handling, if your approach, your behavior, your caring environment for the people, then you are going to have a different team, and your respect, your acceptance, it's going to be entirely different. There are parents who are having the children with very below average performance. We never throw them out. Rather, they require more caring. Our nurturing style, we need to improve our parenting style. We learn from outside so that how we can take care of those children. Similarly way, if some team member is below average, some team member is not able to deliver, some team member is not able to understand, it is our duty that we must give extra mile to them. We extend our additional support. Let us shoulder to shoulder share the responsibility and help them to make a successful person. That extra mile is important for them. The extra additional time is important for them. Be it knowledge, be it activity, be it how to do, this all absolutely we require and we need to demonstrate. And demonstration only you can do, or we all manager can do. And we start doing, then things become very, very simple. So my dear friend, let's not waste time on team building process by going through a lot of books, a lot of reference point. Make a simpler version. Create emotion. Create a special touch with your team members. And once you touch all your team members, probably they are going to touch you equally. And once this kind of bond we create with our team members, the professional success is almost guaranteed. And one thing is very clear, my dear friend, we know that our success depends on these people's performance. So it's very, very the important factor that we ensure that they become a successful people so that we can become a successful people and we can go to the next ladder. And that is important factor I thought we'll like to share with all of you. Make a simple approach, simple version, carry the same behavior, same approach, and make your professional life a very, very, very exciting. Because mind it, we are spending more time with our own team members rather than our children and family members. Almost whole day, 10 to 12 hours we are spending time with these team members, and 4 to 5 hours we are spending with our children or maybe wife and parents. So if we are spending more time with these team members, so they are to be treated equally as our children. And once this feeling people understand, their response is going to be entirely different. The way child respond to parents in any adversity. Thank you very much. And I will expect that you can subscribe my videos, which is available on YouTube. We are going to discuss a lot of different topics, and these topics are going to be helpful for your regular performance in your professional work. And your feedback is very, very key. If you can give some feedback on my video, probably I can enhance, I can add value to this, and we can work together. The whole professional world is very simple. Let us not make it complicated. We can share each other, we can learn from each other. The most important aspect, learning each other. You know, today we have a generation gap. Our children are very, very intelligent. They are miles ahead. The young generations are absolutely in a different world all put together. Their aspiration, their learning process, their attitude, their approach, all are very different. So we can learn from each other, and at the same time, with our experience and with our ups and downs in our life, probably we can share with our team members, and which is going to help them to be a very successful personality in professional world. All the best. Thank you very much. God bless you.